How far will you go? With nothing holding you back. Thank you, buddy.
That's what
Peloton.
For
Yeah,
drug
stuff.
experience no power and next big thing. Navarre is the only nose cleaner with powered suction to pull refreshing saline rinse in one nostril.
And that's what Trevor's
Navarre
like.
relieves congestion from allergies and colds naturally by flushing out allergens, mucus, dust, and germs.
I used to get so congested, but Navage cleans out all the stuff that makes me miserable so I can breathe again.
Now at CVS and Navage.com. You'll love that clean nose feeling.
Have you been told you need neck or back surgery? If so, you do have a choice. Call Laser Spine Institute and say yes to a pain-free life with our minimally invasive spine surgery. It's safer than open back surgery, letting you get back to living life on your terms.
I feel it from Southern. High over my head,
If you have spinal stenosis, bulging or herniated disc, sciatica, or other chronic spine conditions,
Hey, that's
Call
enough. Stop.
207-BACK now for your free
Hey.
MRI review.
It's enough.
thanks to a less than 1-inch incision, you'll be up and walking within hours of surgery, so you can get back to your life in days instead of months.
I feel like Laser Spine Institute was an answer to prayer.
Join the thousands of people every year who say goodbye to chronic neck and back pain with Laser Spine Institute. Make today the day you say yes to living a pain-free life.
Call 1-844-207-BACK now for your free MRI review.
Just sit down. Where'd that go?
Hey, bird full of it.
Yeah.
Call 5-Bob now. 855-242-7285. That's 855-242-PAUL. This is the Paul Feinbaum Show.
Kentucky and South Carolina. Thursday in women's basketball. Two great teams, and Tennessee goes on the road trying to find a way back into the NCAA tournament for Holly Warwick. 2 games right here. So, the Auburn conundrum. Justin Ferguson telling us